Hello, Salai.
Hello, Papa.
I see so many chocolate kisses on the table.
It's 10.
How many?
10.
What are you going to do today?
We are going to do chocolate kisses with addition with chocolate kisses.
Oh, are you going to teach, Papa? Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am.
What are you going to teach?
Addition with chocolate kisses.
Addition with chocolate kisses?
Yeah.
Okay, that will be fun. Let's do it.
Okay. 3 plus 2. First we have to take out 3 chocolate kisses, then 2 chocolate kisses.
All right, let's see.
3 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 plus 2 equals?
5. Play and run Salai.
How will you start?
Start buying bananas and a line.
Okay, show me.
1, 2. It's L.
It looks like L to you. Okay, can you count, please?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, these are 10 chocolate kisses, yeah? Let's start with 2 plus 3.
No, 2 plus 1, 2.
Okay, you can start with 2 plus 1.
Yeah.
All right.
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Okay, show it to Papa, please.
First we have to take out 2 chocolate kisses.
Okay.
Then 1 chocolate kisses.
All right.
1, 2,
Okay.
1.
Okay, so this is 2 chocolate kisses in a line and 1 chocolate kiss in another different line.
Now let's do 2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3.
Okay, next, let us do 3 plus 4.
Okay. I'm the teacher.
Are you a teacher?
Yeah,
Are you a good teacher or bad teacher?
good teacher.
Hey, what are you wearing on your head?
Crown.
Where did you make that crown?
This is from school, but it's a colorful flag.
Wow, it's so nice. It has photos of you.
Yeah, look.
Wow.
I was taking out everywhere.
Who made that crown?
My teacher.
Where? Which school?
The school India.
In India or in Germany?
Germany school India.
Oh, Blue Kids.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Can you wear that again on your head?
Hey, Papa.
And let's do addition.
Hey, Papa, look at my smiley face.
Oh, yeah. Can you do it again? By wearing this crown? Yeah. It looks so nice to you.
Yeah.
Can you make the smiley again? Oh wow, it looks the same. All right, we'll continue with the addition, okay? Please put it on.
This is the same look.
Yeah, it looks the same. Let us do 3 plus 4.
Yeah. Okay. First we have to take out 3 chocolate kisses, then 4 chocolate kisses.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Then
Then 3 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
3 plus 4 equals
7.
7. Yeah, give me a 5. Good job.
Put the bag in a line.
Yeah, put it back in a line, please. Okay, next we will do 5 plus 3.
Okay. Hey, I'm the teacher. You said it. I'm the teacher.
Okay, Papa is just saying 5 plus 3.
Okay. First, we have to take out 5 chocolate kisses, then 3 chocolate kisses.
All right.
1, then 2,
Yep.
then 3.
Yep.
There we go. Then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. There.
What kind of sound is that? All right.
Now
3 plus 5.
equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
So 3 plus 5 equals?
8.
Yay! All right. Put them back in a line.
I'm putting back in.
Okay, that's okay, Salai. Next, which numbers do we add? Let's do
Let's do 3 plus 2.
3 plus 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 plus 2. First we have to take out 3 chocolate kisses, then 2 chocolate kisses.
All right, let's see.
1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2.
Yeah.
3 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 plus 2 equals?
5.
Yeah. High five. All right. Do you want to do one more?
Now let's do 2 and 2.
2 and 2. Yeah, that's okay.
Let's do 2 and 2, guys. But first we have to put these guys in a line. Hey, Papa.
Yeah.
She got off in a plane. He got off in a plane.
Okay.
In a plane though. Now, first we have to take out 2 chocolate kisses, then 2 chocolate kisses.
Right.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Yeah.
1, 2 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. 2 plus 2 equals?
4.
Awesome. All right. Can we do one more
What?
addition?
Yeah.
Next what numbers?
Now let's do
Let us do 4 plus.
4 plus 5.
Yeah, that would be great.
Hey, it's minus.
Not minus. We'll do minus next time. This is 4 plus.
Let's do 4 plus 5.
Yep. How will you do?
First, we have to take out 5 chocolate kisses, then 4 chocolate kisses, right?
That's fine.
4 and then 5.
Okay. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
4 plus 5 equals?
9.
Yay! Another high five.
Congratulations, you won 1 star.
Okay, congratulations, Salai.
You got here 1 star.
Where is that 1 star? It's there, it's there. So Salai has done additions correctly. You get 1 chocolate kiss.
Yay!
You like chocolate kisses?
Yeah. Hey, I got 1 star. We have to get 4 star.
You want to do more to get 4 stars?
Yeah.
Alright, we can do next time again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, is that yummy? Is that yummy?
Play and run Salai.